This is a very complicated question, so I'm going to sit down and I'm going to talk you through the answer. So during the process of turning NMN into NAD, nicotinamide is produced. And that nicotinamide needs to be methylated, so essentially means that you can excrete it out, or any extra you can excrete out. So a methyl group essentially is added to that, and then that combines and it allows the body to get rid of anything you don't want. A methyl pool is just referencing the group of these things in your body in reserve. And yes, they are crucial for things like DNA repair and a whole bunch of other stuff. So the theory is, if you were to have a huge amount of NMN, an excessive amount of NMN over a long time period, it could deplete these pools, making methylation very, very tricky. So insulin resistance is mentioned here, which in theory, yes, could be a byproduct of that. The same with fragmented DNA and cell overgrowth. So whilst these concerns here, they are rooted in some sort of scientific basis, there's been no studies that I'm aware of, or no scientific evidence to actually say that this has happened within NMN. And in fact, all of the studies that do show any sort of impact or side effects are, on the whole, extremely positive. So whilst there isn't any conclusive evidence that this is a problem, right? This comment or this issue is a problem, is of course something that you might want to talk to a professional about. But in my opinion, this is my only opinion, I'm not a medical doctor or anything like that, this is only based upon my own research. To deplete any methyl pools, you would have to have a huge amount of NMN over a very long sustained time period. However, there is something that you can do to combat this, just in case you are a little bit worried. You can take something called a methyl donor. There's one called TMG, B12 is one, and also B9, I believe. And that means that if there was a strain on your methyl pools, having these as well will reduce that strain. Personally, I'm not really that worried because one, the daily recommended dosage of NMN is only 500 milligrams. And of course, it's super easy just to have a B vitamin or a B complex within your supplement stack. I'm vegetarian, I take things like vitamin B12 anyway, regardless. As always, seek professional advice, do your own research. But if you do want to pick up some NMN from Element 5, I'm going to put a link just here.